Alrighty. Yo, what up? What was that?
So what's going on?
Just chilling, man. How are you?
Doing good. At work right now.
You at work?
Yep.
How's that? Chill or not?
I chill. I can do my trading and stuff like that. Just watch the market, do my work.
Yeah, I feel you. At least it's chill where you can do that.
Yeah, I know. That's the only reason I haven't left. Like the pay, it's okay, but I can just do my trading at the same time.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, then there's nothing wrong with it at all. Yo, what up, Ty? Is this pre-recorded? No, it's not. This is live, and I don't know if you'll be able to watch a recording after. I don't know how that works. Probably should. I think it'll automatically upload to my YouTube, but no, it's not pre-recorded. It's currently live. What up, Pedro? I'm currently looking at NQ. Should I move my there we go. Let's see what we got going on for NQ. I have a little trend line, about it. Nothing much going on. No structure at all. I'm on the 2 minute because I'm gonna be like super scalping, but like I don't know. No structure right now. No volume. Can you guys see and hear me just fine on YouTube Live? It's my first time doing it in like 2 years. What's the reason you're trading at 1 p.m. rather than 9 a.m.? I trade 9:30 a.m. also, Ty. I traded that this morning with my group. But there's two sessions during AM session that have volume, 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and 2 o'clock to about 3:30. So I trade the first session in my group, and then now I'm with you guys on YouTube Live. My group is still in here, but not a lot of people trade PM in my group, so it's just me and Will in here. I'm about to enter this trade on the 2 minute. Once again, guys, I'm kind of for these YouTube live streams on PM session. I'm not fully on my strategy of like, okay, perfect confluence, 5 minute chart, all that. It's gonna be more entertaining. Base. I created a separate trading account, like a forex account, and it's just gonna be me taking a whole bunch of scalp trades, like whenever there's a little mini opportunity. So I'm on the 2 minute chart. Whenever there's like a little break of structure or something, I'm just gonna be hopping in and shooting shots. If we get a good closure on this candle, I'll get in. Alright, I'm not liking this closure that much. Okay, I'm liking this. Alright, I'm getting this. Alright, I'm in right here. Once again, it's literally just super scalping, so I'm not going for crazy RR. I'm not fully following my strategy. It's just quick, trying to catch a little candle momentum. So I'm literally going for like a little 1-to-1 right here on this trade. So far, it's looking pretty good. Let's go. There we go. Take profit hit within like 15 seconds. Once again, my trading system is fully volume based, so it's fractal to all time frames. So I could go down to the 2 minute like I'm doing right here on the stream and just catching these little plays. You know, my normal strategy, I'm trying to catch a 2R, 3R, but all these types of things works. If you want to go for 1R, you could go for just little plays like this. As you guys just saw, just caught a little 1-to-1, fully pulled out. And then price literally just created a wick, but we were able to take profit within that little wick. Also, can you guys hear me with the music? Is it too loud? Wow, what an exit. What is this volume coming in the market though right now? That's crazy. Wow. That's crazy. I don't know if I want to enter this trade. Once again, usually in my normal trading system, I'm like 1 win on the day, I'm done. But this type of approach that we're doing for you guys, more entertaining. We're just shooting. And that's why I have a separate account for it. I'm curious to see by the end of 1 month to see the results. Maybe it outperforms my normal system where I'm really, you know, careful approach. We'll see. We just swept these highs. I think we have. Well, I'll see what happens, but I think we might have moved down. The new 1 hour doesn't really have a bottom wick either. It's like very, very mini. So we go down, create an actual bottom wick after these highs just got swept. But who knows? We're about to break structure and trend line right here. We could squeeze out a little tiny trade. I don't know about that though. It's a little risky. If we're to enter right here, I'm gonna hold off for now. Maybe on this candle flip though. We could go up. If this candle flips, I'd be down for that because it gave the breakout. Now it's giving a little pullback. If price comes up and flips, we could just catch this the smallest 1-to-1 right there. 35 points. Once again, usually it'd be bigger, but today is just such high volume. 35 points is tiny. We're retesting this little trend line here too. If we flip, I'm getting in this trade. Yeah, I know who Pedro Cardenas is, but Ty, how long have you been trading? Have we chatted before or no? You guys can't even hear my music. Alright, let's see how this is. Nah, we haven't, but I've been training for 2.5 years. Fire, bro. Are you one of the ICT kids, or are you in between? You don't really know what you want right now. Nah, we haven't, but I've been training for 2.5 years. Fire, bro. Are you one of the ICT kids, or are you in between? You don't really know what you want right now. If this market isn't gambling, then I don't know what is. That's the point of the stream, Will. We're gambling. I'm literally taking smallest 2-minute breakout 1-to-1 trades. Look at this one. Little 35 point 1-to-1. I started a different. You weren't here for the beginning, Will, but I started a new trading account just for. I'm gonna do 1 month. Every PM session. I'm just gonna be super scalping. Tons of trades. Little fucking 2-minute breakouts. I'll see if my fucking computer can handle streaming 2 things. Let's see. Let's check out YM. Fast. Yo, what up, Brendan?
I was just gonna say that EP. I'm over here watching YouTube. I'm watching on YouTube because I can't see it on Discord, so I'm over here double watching it.
I just started streaming on Discord. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
Alright, sweet. Not ICT, but looking into it. I'm not profitable yet, but I've been looking for breakouts, liquidity sweeps for value gaps. I get winning trades, just not consistent. It'll work out sometimes, stop working. Yeah, I feel you, Ty. I mean, literally everyone's been in that situation of just like winning a bit, but just not on a consistent basis. My recommendation is just trade a simple system that is easily replicable. ICT is very complicated and complex, where it's hard to replicate it day by day, and you get information overload and you get overwhelmed, and you start second guessing yourself. It's just a lot to it. I'd recommend trading something simple.
Is analytical trading, is that what you call this? What our system, our strategy in here?
Yeah.
You just never came up with a name for it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Just trying to think of names. I don't even know if I want to do that. I might just make it like brainless trading. Probably gonna enter this short right here on IQ in a second.
I'm not touching any of this. It's because, like, number one, my situation. Number two, like, there's not. It's just such whiplash and stuff, you know.
Yeah. This is.
I just want to wait until like the market it cools down a little bit.
Yeah, I feel you. This is a little gambling stream for me, so I'm just literally shooting everything. I want to see by the end of. I want to see by the end of 1 month, just taking all these 2-minute breakouts. I want to see what the results are look like after 1 month.
You just put like a little deposit.
Yeah, I just made a.
Account.
Yeah, I just made like a Forex account, so it's even higher leverage. And I want to.
Broker.
Gates FX.
How do you spell it? Gates FX.
Yeah.
They allow U.S. clients.
Yep.
But I can't see it.
Gates.
I can't see it. Hold on.
GATES.
And they allow U.S. clients.
Yep. And they're yeah, they're fire. I'm gonna try my best to like start working with them.
Are they regulated or are they unregulated?
Um, unregulated. I mean, the only regulated ones are like Awanas. Like if a firm or if a broker allows like Nasdaq, gold, US 30, all that, then it has to be unregulated because to allow US clients aren't allowed to trade Nasdaq or
I'm
gold.
using one called Longhorn FX, and it's regulated. However, there's a limit for people who aren't KYC verified. The maximum they can withdraw daily is $10,000. You have to get KYC verified to withdraw more than $10,000 in a day.
Interesting.
But yeah, it's I've been like testing out the strategy on crypto pairs. It's kind of meh. I don't know. It works, but it just proves the strategy works on every pair.
I mean, crypto is just like there's not one specific time of day that there's high volume. This system is made for taking advantage.
Spreads are ridiculous.
Huh?
The spreads are ridiculous on crypto pairs.
Yeah.
Like,
SMT
Like,
divergence thoughts. I don't really use divergence. Yeah, I think I mean it's a good confluence. I know it works. Like it's helpful. I think it just adds too much onto the system. I tried it out for a bit. It does help for sure, but just going back to the roots make things simple.
And what's the platform you're using for this broker? What platform do they offer? Do they offer like DX Trade? Which one?
Trade Locker and their I think they have MetaTrader now. I think they just came out with MetaTrader for US clients. If so, then I'm gonna convert over.
I think they have 5. I just looked it up.
Yeah, that's fire. I love MetaTrader, bro. Yeah, they do a MetaTrader, so I'm gonna convert that account over actually probably today. A little internal transfer.
Yeah. I like platform 4 the best.
I love MT5 because then you could drag the stop loss and take profit on the chart, like on the phone.
Yeah. It's pretty fire.
Yo, what up, Bobby? You there, Bobby?
Does he live in the U.S.? Where's he from? Do you know?
He lives in Barbados. He was yeah, he's like an OG.
Yeah. He's really good.
Yeah, he
Like down.
it's funny because like when I was first starting to become profitable, I was posting like random little TikToks. I had no followers, like 50 followers, and he found me and messaged me. And this is before I even, once again, this was like a while ago. He's like, "Yo, can you teach me the basics of trading? I know, or like how to trade a bit. Like I know a little bit, but." And then I taught him like the basics, and then he got into like ICT and SMC for a bit, and he was teaching me that. And then I'm like, bro, I can't do this shit.
Was this in like 2022 or something?
This is like 2021.
Oh, so you know me for a minute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Last week, well, right now I'm negative 50% drawdown on the challenge, but I came all the way back from negative 85%.
Yeah, just slowly building back.
What'd you say?
I said just gotta slowly build back. I'll probably enter this trade if it gives a closure, guys. Breaking out this.
You're not risking. Hopefully, you aren't risking too much.
Nah, I'm not. Thoughts on PO3 accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. I mean, it's cycles and how the market moves. The market will accumulate, it'll manipulate, and it'll distribute to it. But like, I don't sit there day by day and identify each phase the market's in. I mean, I know a lot of ICT traders do, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. I just I just wait for breakouts of certain levels. Very simple. Alright, about to get in this
Yeah, like,
trade in a bit.
if this was like a normal trading day, we would not be trading. I wouldn't be touching any of this, right? Because it's just too choppy.
Yeah, it's not making clear direction. I mean, if it starts breaking out of all these lows, then yeah, it'd be clean. Alright. I'm not in yet. I'm about to get in. Oh shit. It's fucking shooting out now. Alright, well, hit take profit right away. Didn't get in. I was waiting for it to pull back for like a split second. With this little resistance level, if we get a closure above, we could catch a little second chance buy. I'm literally just taking 35-point stop loss on the 2-minute chart and then sitting like take profit in like 4 seconds. Such high volume. I'm sure we could could come up these little wick highs right here and catch a little trade by them. Alright guys, be ready. I'm about to enter this one. It's not like, I mean, I am gambling, but at the same time, still taking valid setups. I'm taking normal breakouts, just on a high frequency level. Alright, I'm in this trade up here. I didn't get in at the exact closure because of spread.
Is the broker that you're using, is it like require like crypto deposits?
They have crypto deposits, yeah. I think they're trying to like add more stuff. All right, take profit hit, guys. Just closing out. All right, perfect. 2-0. I think this system is gonna work really well with just these micro breakouts, because if price is breaking out a certain level, most likely it's gonna have either free run, or we can even take reaction trades where we sweep like a certain region and just trade a micro reaction. We're just trading purely with volume off certain levels.
That's all you're coding in EA.
Yeah.
EP.
Yeah. Coding our system into an EA for futures too, not even forex.
So you like plug into NinjaTrader?
Trade of 8, NinjaTrader, all of it. It's gonna take a while too, because we have to also collect more data.
That's how I started my trading journey. But the first bot that I used, it was like a grid. It was like a grid style bot. So basically, how it went was, let's say the market goes up and up and up. The bot would take sell positions. It would take sell, 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 and then inevitably, when the market was supposed to go back down, it would close all those for profit.
Yeah.
But let's say the market never goes back down.
It's like a martingale.
Hold it down. Yeah, that cost me like $3,000 in total. Then I realized, all right, this isn't gonna work. I need to. Then I found one that it's basically like it scalps news events. So basically, how it worked was, let's say CPI was at 6:30 a.m. So the bot would draw a box around price between 5:30 a.m. and 6:29 a.m. And then when news, it would have like buy limits and sell stops on both sides of the box.
Yeah.
And let's say, and then the news release, and let's say it goes up, but news release at 6:30. What it was supposed to do was let's say it goes up, it would fill you into a buy position, immediately move stop to break even, and then it would be like a trailing stop loss from there, and it would just close it out for a profit. It seemed perfect because the bot could never lose because the stop would immediately move to break even at all times. However, I didn't know about slippage, and that's what killed me.
Yeah. Yeah, nothing's perfect. I'm just trying my best to automate the system that we trade into the bot.
And then here I am now, because then I realized, all right, this isn't working. I'm losing money, and if I can either give up on trading entirely, give up on my dreams, or I can find a way to get my hands dirty and just figure out master a strategy. So here I am now.
There you go. Chat, were you guys able to take any, or at least one of these two trades we took, or were they just too quick? Because they literally hit take profit within like probably like 6 seconds.
I made profit, but it was on like $1 because I didn't know that I only had it on 0.1.
Oh, you put it like a
There's
micro lot?
Yeah. Uh-huh. But I see what you're doing though. It definitely makes sense though. You're just doing a break a structure,
Yeah.
taking smaller profits, getting out.
Yep. PM for super scalping, AM for normal trading. 2 different accounts, so they don't clash together. After 1 month, we shall see results. So far, we're up to R. So if you risked 1% each trade, that would be 2%. Alright, we just swept this high. That's what happens. Alright, just being patient. I should have thought about the stream smarter. I ran out of Zens, and now can't go to the store and get any.
I got a question. What kind of taxes do you pay? Like, is it like a lot, like 20, 30%?
No, it's like 45 taxed. But I'm in the works of transferring my company to Hong Kong with an agency. I don't know. I still need to do more research on it because like I already paid for the service, but don't 100% trust it yet.
Long term, I'm thinking of opening like one in like the Cayman Islands, and then maybe like eventually getting citizenship in the Cayman Islands and renouncing in favor of my U.S. citizenship.
Yeah, I just don't want something that has to deal with residency at all. I was gonna do Dubai or Uruguay, but all of them require some citizenship. Like Dubai, you gotta be there for 6 months a year. I do not want to be in Dubai that much.
Well, if you're gonna be in Dubai, like don't be in like from like April to September.
Yeah,
But
that'd be super hot.
like you can't leave the city and shit, or you have to be like
I don't know how it works, but you have to, yeah, you have to be in Dubai or the UAE, not just Dubai, but you have to be in the UAE for 6 months a year.
and you like pay them quarterly. You said.
Yeah, it's just easier because then you don't need to pay a huge lump sum at end of in April.
Do you have a CPA?
I do. It's like a family friend. Mark's not doing anything right now, guys. Just being patient for a little breakout of any sort. Closure above could be valid too. It's because it's respecting this wick high, so it's treating that as a resistance. So if we get a closure above, it's breaking that.
I heard you're like releasing a YouTube video soon.
Yeah, it's hard making like good ones. I've been trying to like plan it all out, but I haven't started it just yet. I started it. Actually, I did half of it, but then I'm on a new computer and the audio was just terrible for some reason, even though I'm using my mic. So I had to just dump it. I might make a video just talking about how ICT could be holding people back and they don't even realize. Just like mental barriers and stuff.
Yeah. So when I'm trading, should all my money go into
Hey,
my
what up, Emmett?
bank account for an LLC for my LLC?
But you need to have your LLC first, and then you open a business bank account.
I have an LLC already.
And then yeah, you need to make a business bank account, and then when you get prop firm payouts, get it paid in there, and you're an independent contractor. That's how you get taxed for prop firms. You're not. It's not, which is actually better because you don't get taxed as much and it's easier. But yeah, you make a LLC for that as an independent contractor, and then you just every time you get a payout, just withdraw it to your
And you
bank.
can still treat your business bank account like your personal and like spend it on stuff.
No.
Right.
You business bank accounts can only be spent. You only could spend the money on business related things, like buying prop firm challenges. I mean every business is different, but like yeah, like buying prop firm challenges, marketing, things like that. But like you can't use your business bank account to buy a freaking
Fly to Korea.
I mean, for me, all my flights and hotels and Airbnbs I write off, but that's because I use it. I could claim it as marketing for my business, for the coaching business. I could claim that. I could claim it's a business trip for just for marketing reasons, like making a YouTube video about me in fucking Korea or something.
Yeah.
But like, you can't write off like, say you're at In-N-Out, you know, just want to get a burger by yourself.
You'd have to move your money into your personal then.
Yeah, but then you have to pay tax on the money you send to your personal account. So then, and then you have to realize how much you have to pay. So what I do is you have to find a payroll provider, and then you have to run payroll every month a set amount, so it shows proof of income. Also, so you can buy cars or houses. So your business bank account pays your personal account in payroll every month, but then you pay tax on that also, but it automatically pays it for you, so you don't need to do it end of year. So like, say you send $5,000 a month from your business to you, you'll send yourself 5,000, but then you'll probably end up keeping like 3,500. A lot to this stuff.
Just get out of CPA is the best answer, right?
Yeah, or just become in tune with all this. Actually, I don't have a CPA. I have an accountant. Um, I just learned all this from my dad because my dad runs a business, so he just helped me along with all that stuff. All right, guys, I'm about to get in this trade. 1 second. I'm not in just yet. When it flips, I'm in. It's creating this bottleneck right now. When it flips, we're in. Guys, I don't know if Emmett's still in here, but if so, that man's a goat. Me and him came up on trading together. Once again, when this candle flips, I'll get in as a breakout trade. I'm just letting this create that bottom weight because it closed high above the zone. Alright, well, it's not looking like we're gonna get that buy, but we might be able to get a short. Are you planning to live abroad for 3 to 6 months? I mean, I already kind of do that. Last year I spent 7 or 8 months abroad, something like that. I've already done a month and a half this year. I don't know what else. I just play as I go. I don't plan anything. If I feel like leaving the country, then I will. But right now I'm enjoying California. But as soon as I get sick of it, I'll probably leave. Yeah, is there a huge delay? Yeah, markets are like hella indecisive. Are you trading with micros? Is volatile PA? I'm staying out right now because one wick with one mini. You need either TP or a sell. Yeah, Robert. So right now, I mean, AM session, I'm trading my normal, you know, my normal trading system that's very cautious, but full trading plan and everything. PM session, I opened a new trading account for not, I mean, you could say it's gamble trading, but just like very aggressive trading on the like 2 minute chart. Any break of structure that happens, I'm just following volume and just taking little one-to-ones, like quick scalping. And then at the end of the month, I'll see which one makes me better returns. But that's what I'm doing right now. Like I'm literally like we hit TP in like 4 seconds on this trade, like 4 seconds on that trade. Very, yeah, very volatile. But I just wanted to think of something a little entertaining to do for you guys for PM session. So normal trading account, normal strategy for AM session with my group only, and then PM session streamed on YouTube. Just taking a version of my strategy because my strategy is breakouts, taking breaks of structure, just on a very aggressive side of it. Dude, my stream delay is huge. What the fuck? Yo, does anybody know how to like lower a stream delay? I don't know anything about streaming.
It might be because you have a lot of things running at one time.
Yeah, that could be it. I swear I saw a thing on here that showed stream delay. Oh, stream delay? Right here. But it's off. I don't know. Alright, I'm about to enter and trade if it breaks these highs.
What's good, Bertie?
What up? How you doing, bro?
Just chilling, just chilling. Dude, have you seen a stop loss today?
I know. It's crazy.
God.
Bro, I'm just micro scalping the 2 minute chart, just hella aggressive scalping. Like any break of structure on the 2 minute, tiny stop loss, tiny TP, and I'm hitting take profit in like 3 seconds, 4 seconds.
Yeah, dude. I put my like chart on, to the position size, and dude, it said 522 pips. I said, what?
Bro,
I about lost it. I was like, what the heck is going on right now?
Yeah, bro, I was trading with Emmett this morning, and he just took a normal trade and it ran like 1,000 points in probably a minute.
Did he make his lot or his contract off for him?
Yeah.
Oh, I figure so. I was gonna say, dude, you take a regular size trade today, bro, you might lose a lot.
Yeah, you might lose or make a lot.
Yeah, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, he used like a 100-point stop loss.
Gosh. That's wild. That's wild.
Yeah.
Freaking like 400. Like 400. That's insane. Yeah, bro. I'm just working today. Sucks.
Working at home?
Yeah.
There you go.
I work from home 100% of the time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's not too bad. Except people yelling in my ear about their water heater. They're like, "You're gonna give me a new water heater right now," and I'm like, "No, or we can repair it." They get so mad, dude. It's insane.
EP, did you take your trade from this morning?
AM session? No, I did not, sir. did not see anything, and then now PM session, we're just fucking shooting, and yeah, just PM session we're 2 for 2. We're just taking little micro breakouts and 1-to-1s. But AM session did not see any setups.
I couldn't fuck with that 100 pin stop loss. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm like, should I? Nah, I'm good.
Yeah.
That's way too much.
Like
I seen
triple.
your face when he said that. You was like, damn.
Alright, I'm about to enter this trade when it closes above, guys.
Bro, I'm gonna come back at like 4 p.m. and you're still gonna be on here. It's gonna say 50 and 4.
Bro, I'm telling you, this micro scalping, this shit hits. Alright, guys, I'm in. Entry's like right
I
here.
don't know, bro. I have binary opt-in promo.
I've never done that. Alright, clapped.
Dude, I swear, like
2 and 1.
binary option, you'll put it in for like a certain amount of time. It'll stay above your line for like the whole time, and then last second it just dips under, and it's like, dude, come on now. Binary options are not fun.
What did you take in AM? I didn't take anything, Robert. Nothing in AM. Because AM is when I'm trading my normal strategy. Like my actual strategy and my full trading plan. Didn't see anything that followed any of that. Except for NQ had a buy setup, but it was pretty high up. I didn't expect it to fucking shoot up and then just literally form this candle here and just rocket it up. I missed it. Emmett caught that, but I wasn't down for that risk. I might get a retry of this setup if it flips and starts pushing up again. But not where it's at, it has to flip. Watch, this shit's gonna hit.
Yeah, bro, I just got this new puppy yesterday, right? And bro, I wasn't even focused on trading because I have to log in at like 9 a.m. and then like I'll be on the phone and trading at the same time, but I couldn't because I was like, bro, I just gotta keep this dog quiet.
Yeah, dogs are a lot of work, bro.
Yeah, it's like 8 weeks old.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not ready. I've been wanting a dog, but I'm not ready, bro. I've been watching my parents' dog. That shit. Bro wants to play like.
Don't do it. I breed dogs. Don't do it.
I mean, it just makes your dynamic a little, like for you right now, EP, like with all the traveling you do it.
Yeah, that's why I'm not getting one.
Just to wait it out a little bit.
Yeah, for sure. All right, guys, I'm in this trade, by the way.
Dog hotel is a bitch. Dog hotel is like $150 a day.
Really? Yeah.
Me.
That shit more than Airbnb.
What do you breed? What breeds do you?
French Bulldog. Frenchies. Say it one more time, can hear you.
Yeah, you cut out, Carter.
Oh, you said what?
I said you ended up cutting out.
Say it one more time. You.
Oh. Yeah, I have a couple friends where I'm from. They do Frenchies and bulldogs, and I mean it's pretty good money.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, it sucks. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'd rather put all my money in trade. I'm just gonna be 100 with you. I did it twice. People cheap on dogs. You want $3,500 for a dog, 4,000. People got 1,000. Then they want to give it back after 2 months later because they don't know how to keep it quiet. Like you said, keep it quiet, potty train.
Bro, it's simple. It's just like a reward system. That's all you gotta do, really.
But you know, it's hard to teach people that. Some people just don't have the patience for it.
Yeah, it's definitely a process. But I mean, like, I don't know. It's kind of like point in the habit. You just gotta wean them off of it.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Hey, but I'm gonna get off here, boys. I gotta get back to work. Y'all stay good.
Yeah, I'll catch you on.
That's what that.
All right, guys, close to take profit. There we go. And I mean, take profit was hit. I'm gonna let it a little smash through.
I'll definitely have to go back to MT4, MT5, because this trade locker sucks.
Yeah, I mean, trade locker, I don't think it's that bad, but yeah, MT5 is just way better. All right, guys.
Hey, MT5 was
hit
my
that.
shit.
Huh? There we go. 3-1, guys. There we go. Damn. Volume came out of nowhere.
Oh my god.
You
Oh,
take
no.
anything yet?
Taking or 4 trades, 3-1.
Oh, no.
I'm yeah, I'm just.
I don't know. I took a trade this morning and like I forgot to measure like the stop loss and stuff.
Just
And,
instantly
I see
hit
how
take
small
profit.
30 points was. I was like, holy shit, man! I'm so lucky I won that trade. Man.
Cayman Islands, tax-free capital gains on crypto stocks and futures. Unlike the U.S., where you can lose 37% taxes. Dual citizenship makes it even better. If you renounce your U.S. citizenship, you avoid all U.S. taxes permanently.
Tyson, did you take that trade today on your funded?
Yeah, on the funded.
And you won, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
Right.
Are you close to another payout?
No, I blew one actually. Like I went into tilt on one account, so I have to get refunded again.
Futures prop firms are come and go, bro. You could blow one and pass one so fast.
Yeah, what I learned is combines. The combines is the easy part, but if you carry your combine trading to your funded, then you're gonna blow that shit.
Yeah.
You gotta like switch your mindset once you get.
Yeah,
funded.
if the combine, you could be a lot less or a lot more carefree, but the actual funded, you got to be a lot more careful. Which prop firm are you running for PM sessions? I'm not using a prop firm for these little trades. I actually should. I feel like this would do really well in a prop firm. Like this little just one-to-one hella trade approach. I feel like it'd do good for prop firms. So I'm just running it on a little small personal account I started. I threw like 3K into a forex broker. And I feel like I'll be able to probably double it by end of month.
Oh, you say you're like scaling this one right now?
Yeah, so with I started a brand new trading account just for PM session where it's literally just taking these little 1-to-1 micro scalp trades. You know what I mean? Like where I'm in a trade for like a minute.
Okay.
So I'm just
So with like so with like what do you risk in some of that? Like how much micro do you think?
well, I'm on a forex broker just for like this
Oh,
small account, just because there's more leverage
oh,
to
I
work
see.
with. Um, I'm risking around like 5% a trade,
Oh, okay.
5 to 10% a trade. So it 5 to 10% a trade is equivalent to like 0.5% or like 1/4% on a prop firm, futures prop firm.
Oh, I see.
Because like, say I'm risking 10% a trade, that gives me 10 trades before the account's gone to lose in a row.
Yeah. And like if you lose 10 trades, then something's wrong with you. Like, like
Yeah,
yeah,
I mean it's doing well right now. I'm already first day with it,
yeah.
doing well. But yeah, we'll see. I'm curious to see how. Like I have no expectations for this account. Like I don't know if it's gonna do well. I don't know if it's gonna do bad, but I'm gonna run it for like a month straight to see what happens. And then if it works well, then I'm gonna
I-
carry this approach to maybe like some futures prop firms, because like with futures prop firms in the trailing drawdown, it's a bitch. But like for
yeah,
this, you rarely see like it come near your stop loss and reversing, because it's like your stop loss is so small or your take profit so small where I mean you hit take profit in a few seconds.
yeah. It's crazy because then yeah, that trade I took this morning was like 5 seconds, and I was like right out.
Yep. And then you can take several of those where like you could do a lot less risk on these trades, but then take more quantity.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I took a mini, but I feel like when I started doing the micros with like how these stop losses has been like small for this past couple of days, like Friday and today.
You said you switched to minis.
The micros,
Oh yeah.
like on the fundeds, I was like, you can do one mini. It's like it's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Just with these stop losses, I gotta put like 150 point stop losses.
Huge.
Yeah. Yeah. But then like equivalent to like 2 micros.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So right now, wait. So you only have one funded now, or none?
Yeah, just one.
You'll be
But
able. You'll
this
be
one
able
I
to
should
get.
do fine. Like I feel like mentally in trading right now, I'm good enough after losing my first funded, like going into tilt. Like I was like, yeah, I gotta reevaluate my life real quick.
I mean, what you're doing is still working though. You already got 2 payouts. Um,
Yeah,
I mean, it happens. Like the fun is, especially with futures, bro. They just come and go. Like for forex,
yeah,
it's a little different because there's no trailing drawdown. You get 10% drawdown overall. Like it's a lot harder to blow them. That's different. But like for futures, if you blow one, I wouldn't even stress it much.
actually,
Cause you already got 2 payouts, bro. You're already up.
yeah, yeah. 2 payouts in a year. I'll take that. Yeah.
First year ever trading. So this year will be a
But
lot.
I think I had like a low key wake up call because like I'm going blind in my right eye right now.
Oh really?
And, like yeah, like I have like this thing called like a retinal detachment.
Yeah.
It's like fluids like cloud your vision.
Oh shit.
So, yeah, so that's kind of when I had that happen and they told me everything. Maybe I should like really lock in on this trading thing,
Yeah.
like for real.
Yeah,
And
give
I
you
can't
more
work. The jobs
flexibility.
won't let me work with one eye. You know, if that's
Oh shit. Yeah.
yeah. So far I'm up like let's see, let's look. I'm up 800 on the funded right now.
There you go.
Let's
And
let's risk the 1 to 3.
you gotta run it up to like 25, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try like hold this one out as long as I can. Since I got a couple payouts, I know how it feels. And just like stick to one contract, minis if anything, two contract micros, and like that'll be like a strict rule that I like trying to size up. It's like see how long before Top Step kicks me out. Let's see that. Because they ultimately, I think the rules is starting to change because they want everybody to become like a live trader through them.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, I feel like that 5 days, 50%, and after 30 days you can withdraw up to like 100%. But I feel like they're when I read the rules, I feel like they're trying to like move you to a live. Yeah.
Wait.
Which is cool, but if they try to
What's
do
the
that, I'm
benefit?
gonna, like,
What's the benefit from a
ask them
live?
to like, yeah.
What's the benefit from live
Well,
to
at
fund
least,
it or fund it to live?
oh, I don't know. I'll let you know if it happens to me. But I guess with the live, at least you don't have rules, huh?
Oh, really?
Take your payout right away.
Oh, far. That's sick.
Yeah. I mean, that's the ultimate goal, right?
Yeah,
Live.
I didn't know. I don't really follow futures prop firms much. I didn't know they offer that.
Yeah. They invite you. They invite you to like live trading.
That's sick.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I think the volume's dying now. I might hop off here in a bit, but pretty good first little PM stream, 3-1.
Let's say I'm out before I decide to trade again.
Yeah, volume's dying a lot.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, I'll catch you, Tyson.
Talk to
Enjoy,
you
bro.
guys later.
Enjoy, bro. See you. Why delayed data? What do you mean, Damon? By the way, guys, I'm probably end it here. It's towards the end of PM. I usually just trade PM 10 to 11, but volume's very dead. Your NQ's delayed. I have over here. I have my US 30 because I'm trading it. I don't know if you're here for most of it, Damon, but I was trading Forex. I made like a Forex account strictly for like very aggressive scalping. Forex live account. So I have it over here. I don't know if you guys can't see, but I have one screen for both. I was doing the scalping on the US 34, or not US 30, but all that. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'll probably live stream it tomorrow for you guys again, and we'll see what happens. Later, guys. Thanks for the hopping in the first stream.
See you, man.